Hi guys, welcome to this session once again. In this session, we are decoding 2025 your UPSC CSAT question paper. I have Shanthappa sir, who has secured All India rank 644 in UPSC 2023. And that year, the CSAT question paper was very difficult. So even then, Shanthappa sir was able to clear prelims. So if you have failed in your 2025 attempt, it's okay. So we are getting the evidence-based approach for your 2026 prelims. Don't delay your preparation and start your CSAT preparation from January. So start from now. If you have failed, it's okay. So we are going for the first question. The first question is, sir, if n square is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 6 things. Does the number n have? As soon as we see this question, we might feel it is something difficult or doing something else. But sir, this question is based on the same theme which was appeared in 2023. What was that theme? If you have not gone through with the question paper, means it would have been difficult. What is that theme? Sir, I had solved here. This is a Vedic mathematics where 1 square is 1, 11 square is 121, triple 1 square is 1, 2, 3, 2, 1. 1, 1, 1, that is 1111 square is 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1. This is the Vedic maths which we would be doing. So here they are asking you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 8, 7, 5, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. As soon as you see this number, it's easy. You should get through the question itself. What? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Square. How do you represent this? Obviously, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This is the trick in the squares of 1, where 1 square is 1, 11 square is 121. 111 square is, how many ones are there here? 3 ones. So I'll write 1, 2, 3, again 2, 1. Yes, sir? Yes. So the answer would be here 9. So if you can analyze the PYQs properly, you could have answered that question. Yes, sir. So just sir will add few things to this.
Give me this one. See, my dear students, as sir told, this is a Vedic mathematics. Concept is old. All the features are like characters related to the particular number. I have told you in the previous class also, if you check, there are certain special characters associated with the special numbers. For example, 5. If you see questions related to CSAT, the number ending with zeros, the number ending with 0, the number ending with 5. Certainly, this is a special feature of 5. In the same way, there is a special feature related to the 7. There are special feature related to the 11, 13. So what we are expecting from you is that if you know the UPSC mindset, that is going to ask again and again the characteristic feature of number 11, number 30, characteristic feature of 13, characteristic feature of 5. He is going to ask next year how many zeros are present. For example, X, Y, Z into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Last number is 5. His intention is 5, not this number. So this is what? This is called decoding. This is not finding answer. In the same way, next year if you are referring for 2026 prelims, please ensure that you are very much aware about the characteristic feature of each and every number. For example, I have told you in the previous class, this number is very dangerous number as far as my knowledge is concerned, because this number is even number. This number is a prime number also. It is very difficult to find it. But prime number is the high yielding topic for the UPSC. So that's why if you gain more control, more authenticity, more if you know in depth about number series or number theories, then definitely 2.5 marks, right? 2.5 marks is in your pocket. Fine. We'll move to the next question.
So want to add these things means out of sir 80 questions, again you have to choose very wisely 30 questions. Okay. So this question, that is 1 square, 11 square, 111 square, one or the other way will come in the examination. And similarly, another question, 3 square, 33 square, 333 square, 3333 square. This can you please check in the calculator and observe an observation. Here also there is a trick, sir. One more number, 9 square, 99 square, 999 square. Similarly, there is a trick for 9 also. These things has to be carefully observed. Yes. So going to the next question, sir. Yeah. So this is recently what UPSC has tried to do is the questions which have appeared in SSC in 2019, 2020, 21, 2021. Based on same themes, it is just getting out the things. And most of the times, this question has to be answered. Why? Because if you take any of the standard book, if you refer, either it's R.S. Agarwal, Arun Sharma, any of the book, there is a question based on this theme. What is the theme is reduction in the expenses, either it's ticket fare. In 2018 also, because of the increase in the price of a commodity, a person was able to purchase less rice. That is the theme here. Here the theme is because of the increase in the petrol price, the expenses has been increased. Okay, since my expenses has been increased, what I'm supposed to do? I have to reduce my traveling so that my expenses will be equal. The theme is expenses consumption based on this theme. So since this is the percentage, straightforward formula, that is x by 100 plus x into 100. This is the percentage. How much percentage? 10%. Just substitute 10. 10 by 110 into 100. 1010 cancels. This would be 100 divided by 11. So this much they are traveling. This much price has been increased. It has to be reduced percentage. So again, how much total kilometer they are traveling? 2200. So that is this much percentage means 100 by 11. Obviously percentage means 100 of how much? 2200. Just find it out. That is 100 by 11 into again 2200 divided by 100. So 2020 cancels. 11 ones are 11 twos are 100 twos are 200 kilometer. The travel has to be reduced. If you don't convert it into percentage, you will get 2200. So with that money, you could have traveled 2200 kilometer. So the answer would be 200 kilometer. The theme is based on consumption, which was the same question. The price of a petrol shot up by 5%. Before the hike, the price was rupees 82 per liter. Here it is 90 per liter. 10%, 5%. So they are asking you on the man's travel due to hike in the petrol price. That means they are asking you how much money he has to spend extra. But here they are asking you how much kilometer he has to reduce. That's it. The theme is the same. Please analyze these themes. If you have not analyzed the themes, or if you are finding any difficulties to find out these themes, please call the number which is scrolling and number mentioned in the description. We have started CSAT course for your 2026. If you want to crack with Shantamarga and Shanthappa sir and myself Sudharshan, please join this course. We are not just telling you to join, so that you will crack 2026 prelims. Yes, sir.
See, again, one thing I want to tell for you people, as sir told, here 80 questions. Here 80 questions. Here 80 questions. First and foremost challenging is that in the examiner, which questions are under our ambit. I mean, which questions are our cup of tea. That itself is a very challenging task, because it is very much sure that you can able to attend 35 to 40 questions. Intelligent people who is from IIT or IIM can attend 45, not more than 50. More than 50, few people can able to attend, yes, but they are not competitor for us. That's sure. Yes or no? Yes. If any person is attending more than 50, he is a friend to me. He is not a foe. He is a friend to me, because he is not a competitor with me. Only 0.1% people can attend more than 50 questions. But I am speaking about people like me and you. I am our student. So my point is, if you attend 35 to 40 questions, it is your responsible duty to find out which questions you are supposed to attend. That's why we are telling, sir, this is the SSC question. We have told many times, SSC, CAPF, CDS, then NDA. because all these institutions are coming up with the same language, tone, same tone. If you're able to speak with them on daily basis, regular basis, you can able to find out the tone of the question. As and when you see this question paper, you automatically recall this is the consumption increase, a price increase, and consumption is going to be reduced. Such type of the tone it has. So in our CSAT course, in our general studies course, we are more bothered about what type of tone, what is the tone of the UPSC question paper, which topics are recurring in nature. We are going to solve in that way. So if you're interested, you can. My point is, as and when you see the question, you should know that this is my cup of tea question. I can able to attend this question. See, if you keep on trying and if you're not able to get an answer, then definitely you will clear CSAT in this 2020, this 20th decade. In this decade, you cannot clear it. First, as and when you see the question, you should know whether it is your cup of tea or not. That's all. So this is the already previous thing in 2022. Already I have seen this type of questions, n number of questions in previous year in UPS itself, not in SSC, even UPS itself. Just for your purpose, for just to give example, we have brought SSC, CAPF, CDS. These are all co-brothers. We should give due respect for them. Okay? Yeah.
And recently, since 2022, sir, it's very hard to qualify CSAT.
Exactly.
Because in 2018, there was one of my friend. We used to score win our preparation, daily preparation. 140 minimum CSAT score would have been there in 2018, 2019. Sir, 2023 has failed CSAT.
Yes.
So after 2021, right, you cannot attend more than 35 to 40 questions. You are supposed to identify which questions you are not supposed to attend.
Exactly.
Yes, sir. Going to next
In
question.
fact, I was not seeing when I was writing 2017-18, we were not checking our CSAT score. It was taken for granted. Now CSAT is taken for granted.
Yeah.
Now CSAT is making a nightmare for a people who are burning their midnight oil.
Sir, serious question. This question has to be answered because 2023 question. This is 2023. This is 2024. And this is 2025. The same theme you are supposed to remember. Just sir will solve this question.
Sir, in one thing I want to tell from UPSC journey, question looks easy, but it is not easy if you not make any practice. Practice makes man perfect. As you know, there is a concept. First, we have to count how many words are here, alphabets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So 18 means he is going to make a cut of 6. 6. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I mean A, B, C, this one. Then A, B, triple C. Then B, C, dash is C. Yes?
Yes.
See here.
There are 18 letters.
18
letters have been divided into
6.
6.
Yes. See, if you see, there is a triple C. Here double C. Here double C. Means here there is a C. Here there is a, see, this has to be C. Last option should be a C. There is only two options, option C and D. Then we can rule out option A and option B. Fine. Then there should be A. So here it should be A. So both options gives A. Then we cannot rule out anyone out of C and D. Then here B. Then here B. So we cannot rule out again. Then here C. Here there is only one option is C. So answer is C. It looks easy. It is easy for us because we have practiced this question before coming into video. Same thing applicable to you. Before going to exam, you should solve as much as possible. Because if you miss this type of question, then mains train is going to miss you. If you want to be in a mains hall, UPSC mains hall, these are the questions you should ensure these are short. These short questions has to be practiced lot, because It may look easy, but it is not easy because as I have told openly, we have practiced it before coming into the video. Despite got rank, despite sir has experience, still we have made a practice. What stops you? Okay, so we request you to do as much as possible in your hall and exam orientation and in exam environment. Then only these things come into your handy.
So going to next question. That is, sir, these questions has to be answered.
Yeah.
These are based on the same theme where alphabets has to be arranged. If you can put all the options in these places, right? So you'll get the one or the other option.
These are the oxygen.
Yes. So going to next question. Sir, again, I don't want to take the previous year questions and this is a problem on direction.
Exactly.
You know the directions.
Yes.
Basics of directions.
Basics.
Easily you could have solved.
Reasoning questions.
Reasoning questions has to be answered.
Has to be answered.
Very easy question. So that is, there are 7 places A, B, C, D, E, F and G in a city connected by various roads. There are various different roads also.
Yes.
A is 6 kilometers south. Just do the pictorial representation. Don't get confused. Put the directions. That is north, south, east and west.
Yeah.
A is 6 kilometers south of B. That means city A is to the south of B. That is here city B, here city A.
Yeah.
How much kilometer? 6 kilometer. Again, A is 10 kilometer west of C. This A is 10 kilometer west of C. That means for C it has to be west.
Yes.
So this has to be west means here comes the C. How much kilometer? 10 kilometer. This is 10 kilometers. Again, D is 5 kilometer east of E. I don't know where to put D and E.
Exactly.
Don't get confused. Be there.
Yes.
Go for the next thing. C is 6 kilometer north of D. C is 6 kilometer north of D. That means D comes here and this is north of D. How many kilometer? 6 kilometer. Later, F is 9 kilometer west of B. Where is B? Here B. To its west, city F is there. Which is F? Here comes the F. How many kilometers? Just write 9 kilometers.
Yeah.
Later, F is 12 kilometer north of G. F is 12 kilometer north of G. That means here comes G and here comes 12 kilometer. F is towards G. A person travels from D to F. So from D to F, a person travels. Okay. So through these roads, these are the roads he will travel. What is the distance covered by the person? Sir, don't use your too much. That's why UPSC wants to overthink. Overthinking is, as soon as you see this, you will try to apply Pythagoras theorem.
Exactly.
So you will join this. Clearly, they have told that roads are there. Through these roads only he has to travel. For AB road, AC road, CD road, FB road. Okay, just count this. 6 plus 10, 16. 16 plus 6, 22. 22 plus 9 is 31 kilometer he has to travel to reach from D to F. That is option C would be the correct answer.
Yes.
These questions has to be your cup of tea. As soon as you see this question, try to solve these questions, sir.
Exactly.
In the examination, what happens is the time will be clicking. You will be solving a question where you will go for ego. I've learned this question. This question I know. I will solve. Time will be done. Yes, sir. Yes. So yes, sir will add to this.
And one more thing I want to tell. See, purposefully, first 10 questions were very difficult.
Yes. UPSC wants to trap you there.
And the last 10 questions should be the very easy one. It is the formula. It is the unofficial formula made by the UPSC that these student has to get a trap in the first 10 question itself. If you see last 10 question of any series, A series, B series, C series, D series, last 10 questions comparatively easy when compared to first 10 questions. See, as sir told, you are taking very personally. Hey, I want to attend this question. Sorry, this question carries 2.5 marks. This question carries 2.4 marks. And there is a like on the hell question. I want to say, and that is a hell. That is called permutation and combination and probability. These questions are hell for me. I don't know for others. It seems to be hell. As and when see the such type of question, I will say, good boy. I don't touch. I will give a due respect to the permutation combination question. Sir, it is very difficult to solve this type of question in the exam environment. You can solve in the outside environment. Yes, of course I can. But That is the skill. If you see permutation, combination, probability questions, definitely it is going to be more tricky. First of all, we cannot able to solve easy questions. Leave it about easy questions. That too, UPSC is making more complication in this type of question. This question carries same 2.5 marks. This question carries same 2.5 marks. Then why you are concentrating on this? Don't concentrate on this. This will kill your future. So you just give respect. Don't touch. If you touch, it will kill your future. Not only your this attempt, kill your future. Okay. So attend this type of question. Fine. We'll move to the next question.
Sir, and one more thing is, in CSAT, what happens is students from IITs, IIMs have failed CSAT.
Exactly.
Why? Because UPSC is never checking your real aptitude, not mathematical skills. Your presence of mind, your observation through the previous year question papers. You are not touching the questions which you are. It is taking more than 1 minute a time. You have a 7 feet tall person, well built with 6 pack. You are 5 feet. You're not supposed to fight with him. You have to respect him.
Yes,
Similarly, when you find a question which is too complex, you have to respect it. Sir, yes, you are big. Going to the next question. Yes. Going to one more question, which is on blood relation. Sir, it's easy question. You have to solve this. Yes, sir.
But see, it looks easy. Again, I'm telling you, because this is I will tell you how you are going to be confused. Okay, fine. See, P is the brother of Q. P is the brother of Q. What is the gender of Q?
No, not.
Yes. R. Q and R. Q and what is the gender of R? We don't know. S is R's mother. Yes is R's mother. Means she is the
Mother
female.
is female. They are telling
If there is a mother, then definitely there is a father. So we can say this is called lungi. You know, South India, lungi dance. This is a lungi. This is how we have to. So lungi is always in square shape, right? Square shape. So square means lungi. Lungi means male. T is P's father. So definitely T is going to occupy this position. Okay. Then, and again one more thing I want to say here, no divorce like American society, only one marriage. Okay. So we can say stepfather like that. We don't have such step. Just apply common sense. Don't overthink.
Yeah.
Huh? Yes or no? So T is P's father. How many of the following statements are definitely true? This is the word. This is the word. You have to focus. How many are definite? If you miss this one, all statements are correct. If you miss this one, all statements are correct. In the hexamery, we are going to change male to female, female to male, and male to transgender, transgender to lesbian, lesbian to gay. Because that is example. It looks easy, only example outside. Let us see. Okay. S and T are couples. Yes, they are couples. Yes. They are couples. Sorry?
Since they are couples, they have kids.
Exactly. That is a common sense. Okay. Q is T's son. Q is T's son. As they mentioned, whether it is a male? No.
It can be son or not.
No, but they have told definitely.
Definitely.
We can't say this is a definitely. So this statement is wrong. So this statement is right. T is Q's father. T is Q's father. Yes, it is true. Okay.
His father obviously is a male.
Yes.
Male can be father.
Yes. Statement. The third is right. Yes is P's mother. Yes is P's mother. Definitely it is P's mother.
Female.
Yeah.
Gender I know.
Gender I know. R is T's daughter. We don't know whether it is female or male. So we don't know. So we can't say definitely it's true. P is S son. P is yes son. Definitely we know gender because P is a brother. First statement. So this statement is true. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 statements which are definitely true. There are 4 statements which are definitely true. And again one more thing. One common sense. Though it is a thumb rule. Still it is applicable. See here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 statement. Okay. Here last is 5. definitely it is indication that there is a one statement is wrong.
One statement.
Common, there is one statement. See, one thing, this is the Shantamarga rule. Anything more than three statements, anything more than three statement, definitely one statement is wrong. Anything more than three, 99%. Sir, what about 1%? Don't bother about 1%. You first about 99%. This if and buts are going to ruin your future. If and buts. Sir, what if question comes from that section? No, it will never come. Question comes from cubes. Question comes from time and work. Question comes from number theories. Question comes from blood relations. Question comes from puzzle theories. There is no if and but. Even if you prepare for mains, you go PYQs and solve it and win the game and go to Lapsana. That's all.
But is a bit of poison, sir.
Yeah.
So going to one more question, sir. In our last video also, we had given an approach for more than 7 questions, I guess. Here we have 6 questions.
Yeah.
So 7 plus 6 is 13. These are logical reasoning and quantitative aptitude.
Exactly.
I have not touched reasoning, that is reading comprehension.
Yeah.
So if you can get here 20 questions, right, sir? However the difficult the question paper is, in reading comprehension, if you are well prepared and if you have the capability of clearing mains, means out of 25 to 26 question, at least 15 questions you can solve, sir.
Exactly.
In reading comprehension.
Yeah.
However the paper is. So some solve 22, 23, 24. If you can solve these many, these are the questions. Don't get panicked here. If you want to qualify CSAT, you can call the number. Yes, sir. Going to one more question. It's a easy question. I consider it as an easy question, sir. If France is coded as 654321 and Germany is coded as 9158437, then how is MN coded? Common sense. So why? I want why. Why how much? 7. Start with 7. So which is the option which start with 7? These two, done. Not. E. What is E? Here E is 1. Here E is 1. Obviously, it's in both the numbers cases it is true. So 1, 7, 1 it is there. So I'll go to the third. M. Here only M is there. M is how much? That is 4th letter. That is 8. 718, which is there. Option D would be the correct answer. So this question has to be solved. How many time I am taking? Just 30 to 40 seconds. So it's a easy question. These questions has to be answered. Yes, over to sir.
See, I want to tell one more thing. As and when you see this question, usually 90% of people, what will do, I will say, they will put like this. They will put like this. A1, B2, like this, like this. Otherwise, few people are overthinking. A is 26, B is 25. Then never a trap. If you write like this, then never a trap. That's why I am telling you, sir. You have to solve n number of questions related to the alphabets series. Coding and decoding, right? See, certain question is going to be answered through the eyes. This is called mental ability, aptitude. This is not maths, differentiation, integration, algebra, geometry, circle, triangle, Pythagoras, that thing. No. Even I am very scared of those concepts, you know. See, when I saw this question paper, there is a similar between France, Germany, MN. Words look similar, alphabets look similar. So this thing made me to think in that perspective. That's why we got answer. If you go like this, definitely you will never get an answer. It is not, you will not only get an answer, it is going to kill your time. It will increase your frustration because question looks easy, but you are not getting answer. As and when you see such type of numbers, then you will come up with one more overthinking ideology. Squares. A square, 1 square is equal to 1, 2 square is equal to 4. There is a something is there. You are thinking, and for your unfortunate thing, F looks 5. Here mentioned 6. So you are considering 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. If you go like this, then things are going to become very, very, very. Yes or no? So my point is, question looks easy, but it is not easy. When you practice more, this question can be solved through your experience. See, as and when you see all these alphabets which are in France and Germany, those are replicated in MN. That's why you have to solve. Okay, so these are all the questions we have solved in this session. Anybody interested to take CSAT and GS, General Studies related 2026? I am here too. We both as a team, we are going to deliver the things. You can come and get the benefit. Without us also, you can do that. No doubt in that. We are not like if you come to us, then only we will get. We don't put such type of propaganda. Okay, but when you come with us, we will ensure your path is easy. You have to work.
Yes. You have to work diligently, and every day, if you can give 2 hours weekly thrice, it would be more than sufficient for 2026, sir. So those who are interested, you can call. Even for a very minimal price, we are doing this course. It is taking immense efforts also. So if you are very good at maths, if you don't need our approach, then it's free will. Thank you guys. We'll meet in the next session. Yes.